Hi everyone. Today we are going to solve question from past paper 2025, paper 1, non-calculator. Question number 20. Here you can see they have asked us to prove that 2 and 1 over 4 take away 1 and 5 over 6 equal to 5 over 12. So you need to prove it that your answer is 5 over 12. Okay, so we have the mixed fractions. So now you have to make it improper fraction because we can't work with mixed fraction. So we need to make it improper fraction. So you have now 2 and quarter, take away 1, 5 over 6. So we are going to make it improper fraction. So you know the rule as you see in my previous video. So we are going to do 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So you will say 9 over 4. Okay. So what I have done here, so it is 4 times 2. You times them. Whatever answer you get, you add the top. Okay, so you get 9 over 4. Next now, even you need to make this mixed number into improper fraction. Same rule, times the bottom. 6 times 1, 6, plus 5 will give you 11 over 6. Now you have seen like how very nicely you have turned the mixed number into improper fractions. And what are the improper fractions? When you get the top heavy numbers, we say they are improper fraction. And now you have minus, so it is a takeaway, so you have to do takeaway. And you know, when you do addition or takeaway, your denominators should be same, but here your denominators are not same. So you need to make the denominator same with the help of LCM. So you can use LCM method or you can use butterfly method. Okay, you can use anyone. So I will go with butterfly method. So you are going to times the bottom. So times the bottom. Okay, and now 4 times 6 is 24. Write the denominators 24. Now you will do cross multiply. So you will go with first with left hand side. So 9 times 6. So 9 times 6 is 54. Write the 54 on the left hand side. And next you are going to times from the right. 11 times 4. So 11 times 4 is 44. Operation is take away. So you are going to do take away. So 54 take away 44. Okay, 54 take away 44. What will be the answer if you do the 54 take away 44? Yeah, it will be 10. Okay, you can use a column method if you want. So you can say 54 take away 44. So 4 take away 4 is 0. 5 take away 4 is 1. So you are left with 10 over 24. Now you got 10 over 24, but they told us prove that 5 over 12 is the answer. So the thing is here now, they have just simplified it. Okay, so how you're going to bring 5 over 12? You're going to simplify it more down. So you know, whenever you simplify, you're making the number more smaller, you're making the fraction more smaller, but it should be equivalent. Okay, now you're going to think of any times table which has 10 and 24. So you will go with times table of 2. So you will divide with 2. So divide with 2. Okay, and when you're dividing by 2, then you're going to ask yourself, how many 2 can make 10? 5. And how many 2 can make 12? How many 2 can make 24? 12. So here you go. So your final answer is, you're going to write here, is 5 over 12, and you have proved it that 5/12 is the answer for this mixed fraction. And you can see literally this question is 3 marks. So you have scored 3 marks. Thank you.